Naman taga Red Castle. Nag-date kami ni asawa. Dito kami sa init kasi malamig, wala akong ano. Sarap. Pinunan ako ng ano ng pinunan ako ng dugo. Tatlong botelya. Botelya. Tatlong ano ba yan? Daghan ng drive-thru. Kami lang kumakain dito sa loob. Ang sikang itlog protein. Kape. I love you, Bear. Thanks for the breakfast. Padala sana niya si Genevieve at saka si Julio. Kita ng dalawa kaya mag-date ang dalawa. Minsan-minsan lang kami mag-date. Kung yung hash brown kaya masarap. Hash brown White Castle, so good.
Really not much. It was a little quick because it was a big line. But Gene and I had both met the Hebrew. He was very open and told us a lot.
Very crunchy.
You guys are also celebrating the 50th anniversary of Equinox album after filming the entire album in November.
Sir, all sa floor nag-live. Nag-notif sa ano ko.
Very cool, guys. Check out Grand Illusion this Friday, Chesterfield Amphitheater, 7 p.m. Thank you guys for coming in. Really appreciate it. Take a break.
Guys, thank you guys. Napahaba na itong akong video guys. 2 minutes na. Oh, look at this. $12.99. This one, red. How many gallon? 27. Same thing. Same thing sa nabili namin sa Home Depot. Ano lang siya, $7.99. Tam, can I look in here, Tami? Titingin muna ako dito. Sale. Clearance. Find some clearance thing. I like this color. No. $8. Nangita ko kuan. Naghanap ako ng Carhartt. Una na sila coat guys. Unahan ko ani dili kay siya heavy, light lang siya, light. I'm small. The small is kind of big. Oh, it's perfect. Sure. I see ya. Nice siya guys. Ay. Yung hood niya. Ma-remove niya yung hood. I like the Ay, di ma-remove ang hood. Ay, ma-remove. May zipper man siya. Zipper. Nice. Pila na gani siya, no? 109, 100, 109, 110. May tatag coupon. Kaya basin maka-discount ba? I like this shirt. Soft. Kaya siya 24. Wala man gisale ang kuan. Guys, akong ganahan guys. Mga sweater ba? O, napay clearance diri. Clearance. I need. Oh. This is the one I was looking last time. Gisale siya. Pila na lang siya. 90 na lang, 90. But kanahan ko brown, unta brown, dili green. Gisale na siya guys. Oh. Small tabi, small. Dako man ang small. Ay, dakog hawak. 20 na lang. Oh. Oh, this is my Naki's favorite color. Guys, sige. Mamili sa ako diri guys. Mamili sa ako.